3, 2, 1.
During the embryonic stage of vertebrates, the notochord develops into what? The answer is D, backbone. I'm watched by many, yet I cannot see. What am I? The answer is B, camera. What year did the original series The Munsters leave the airwaves? The answer is C, 1966. I'm filled with water and have a shore, yet I'm not a lake or an ocean floor. What am I? The answer is A, riverbank. The Andrew Lloyd Webber song I Don't Know How to Love Him is about what character? The answer is B, Jesus Christ. What organ do we use to hear sound? The answer is D, the ear. Which country has the largest number of seats in the United Nations Security Council? The answer is B, China. What is the Chinese two-stringed fiddle? The answer is C, erhu. What is a low, padded seat with armrests and a footstool called? The answer is A, lounge chair. What do city dwellers eat? The answer is D, crops. Who set the record for the longest fingernails on a pair of hands male? The answer is A, Lee Redmond. What is the muscular organ shaped like an upside-down pear that has a thick lining of tissues called the endometrium? The answer is B, uterus. I'm used to save lives, but I can't live. What am I? The answer is C, bandage. What is the highest mountain in South America? The answer is C, Aconcagua. What was the name of the restaurant Jethro opened in an episode of the Beverly Hillbillies? The answer is B, the Happy Gizzard. What does the soul want from the fisherman in Oscar Wilde's fairy tale The Fisherman and His Soul? The answer is D, his heart. Which country is not a member of the United Nations? The answer is A, Vatican City. A mountain with a peak in the clouds. What am I? The answer is B, Mount Everest. Which animal can rotate its horns 360 degrees? The answer is B, rhinoceros. Which country is known for its famous wall, the Great Wall of China? The answer is C, China. Is sweat an exocrine or endocrine substance? The answer is C, exocrine. Which language is known as the Swiss Army knife of programming? The answer is A, Python. Sending electricity through what causes electric current to flow through it? The answer is D, copper. Zoroastrianism refers to which of the following? The answer is D, a type of religion. I can be broken but not wasted. I can be lost but still be found. What am I? The answer is D, jewelry. What is the name of Gabrielle's daughter in the Xena series? The answer is C, Hope. In what state did the plane crash that killed Buddy Holly, Richie Valens, and the Big Bopper take place? The answer is C, Iowa. What is so light it can float in water but sinks in air? The answer is A, cork. What fruit is typically green and has a stone inside? The answer is C, avocado. Which movie won the Best Picture at the 88th Academy Awards? The answer is A, The Revenant. In which of these movies did Audie Murphy star with Jimmy Stewart? The answer is D, Night Passage. Which war was fought between the Soviet Union and Afghanistan from 1979–1989? The answer is D, Afghanistan War. Which of these real-life jockeys, chosen as one of People magazine's 50 Most Beautiful People in 2003, played another real-life jockey in Seabiscuit? The answer is D, Gary Stevens. Which inventor is famous for the printing press? The answer is A, Gutenberg. I have 100 doors and only one leads to the truth. What am I? The answer is D, riddle. Australia is home to many endemic species. The wallaby Wallabia bicolor, a medium-sized member of the kangaroo family, is a pouched mammal, or this. The answer is B, marsupial. Which of these gases, on average, has the lowest volume in the atmosphere of Earth? The answer is D, carbon dioxide. What does increased temperature do to a substance's kinetic energy? The answer is A, increases. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? The answer is C. Uranus. The accumulation of what cells begin the development of the vertebral column and thoracic cage. The answer is C. Mesenchyme cells. Which vegetable is a root crop that has purple flesh and white speckles? The answer is A. Beetroot. I'm often found in a museum, yet I can't talk or walk. What am I? The answer is A. Artwork. Which morale-boosting event, featured in the series M***S**H, was not held during the command of Colonel Potter? The answer is B. Races of rolling hospital beds. With which sport is Steffi Graf associated? The answer is A. Tennis. What do many cells depend on glucose for? The answer is A. Energy. What is the name of the Egyptian goddess associated with love, beauty, fertility, and war? The answer is A. Isis. Which actor has featured in films including The Hunger Games and Ordinary People? The answer is C. Donald Sutherland. When forest trees are cleared from the land and trees are not replanted, which of the following will most likely occur? The answer is A. Soil erosion. From what kind of animal does rennet come from? The answer is A. Cow. The Bering Strait connects which two oceans?